Good morning. I'm Nice Matthew, lecturer, Department of Physiotherapy, SIMS-RC, Bangalore. And I'm here to give feedback about Medviz, the new platform that we use to impart online education to our students. In this unprecedented situation and during the pandemic, when things were looking very uncertain about how we would go about conducting classes, the teachers and the students had a definite boon in terms of the new platform that Medviz introduced to conduct our classes. This online platform has a lot of pros, definitely, and also very few cons. One of which is with regards to creating class, the option that Medviz gives us to conduct a live class. And even before the class is started or when it's scheduled itself, the students get an email notification regarding the same that they have a class from so and so timing. So this brings about a certain amount of discipline to the students, a reminder to the students for those who forget that they have a class. And also it brings about to the teacher that yes, a class is scheduled at so and so time. Other than that, the recorded classes, if suppose a student has missed a class for whatever particular reason, this recorded class will definitely help them to go back and understand what had happened in the class. And it will look like as if they have not missed out on anything, which is something which was not seen in any other platforms, online platforms. The recorded class option, which directly goes about on the Medviz platform. So considering even the presentation part, the PowerPoint when it is shared, the PDF when it is shared, the clarity, students have really enjoyed the class because they did not have any hiccups while during the class with regards to the presentation part, the clarity part. Even the tests when conducted were very clear. The attendance is something which was very, again, not seen as a regular feature anywhere else, where you have the attendance where you can download it immediately after the class or during the class to understand, these many students were present. And we don't have to take a class attendance direct. And in fact, it saves time as well. So so students know, that they have to be in the class because their attendance will matter, and it gets saved as data directly, which is not the case otherwise. One of the other biggest, in fact, boon we have is the team of Medviz, which is here for any solution or any troubleshooting problem, any kind of issues which crop up. They are there at the tip of a finger, the coordinators, the whole team. A big shout out to them. We are glad that they introduced this to our students, to us, because sharing notes or even when you have to annotate something, so it becomes so beautiful. I mean, the points and the features in Medviz are just amazing. The cons, yes, we have had a few initial hiccups wherein the students had problem to log into their course. It was a matter of just time wherein they corrected it when they understood, yeah, this is where I have to be. They contacted the team, and yes, as I said, they had a solution immediately. One of the things which we came across now is while we are conducting our internal exams, the data usage in Medviz has been a little more. We feel because the network issues, if any, brings about the whole feature, goes into a bad mood because we cannot see the exam students writing the exam clearly. The data amount of data which is used is one of the issues. It's not as the usual one. It has definitely been a little more than the other platforms which we used earlier. So because of which we lose on the video when, or suppose a student is writing the exam and suddenly, because of the data loss, we cannot see them, and which is very crucial because an exam is definitely wherein you have to be monitoring them round the clock. So so these are the few cons. I'm sure they will come up with solutions for those cons as well, because they have always been very supportive, and we are glad that we are part of this team as well, wherein we are able to conduct the Medviz sessions the online classes using this platform. Our students are happy, our faculties are happy. So thank you, entire team of Medwiz. The few cons which I mentioned, please find some solutions quickly so that we may have only pros hereafter. I'm glad to be part of this huge endeavor. Thank you so much.